So I have an old chair here. Is it made by wood, made of wood, made from wood, or made with wood? What do you think? You can actually comment below now if you want. I decided to make this video because some of my students get confused with made by, made of, made from, made with. Which one do you use and when do you use it? If you get confused by these, then keep watching and we'll work it out together. Do you have an iPhone? Well, it's made by Apple. Or an Android. It's made by Google and some other companies. Who are your shoes made by? My sneakers are made by Converse. The dinner you ate last night, was it made by you or made by your partner? What about the cookies you ate as a child? Lovely homemade cookies. Were they made by your mother? You get the idea. Made by, we use to describe the person, the group, the company, the business, the organization, etc. that created or produced something. So they made that thing. You can think, who made it? It was made by. So what is your phone made of? Is it made of plastic? Is it made of metal? Is it made of glass? Or maybe a mix? So it's made of metal, plastic, and glass. How about your shoes? Are they made of leather? Are they made of rubber? Are they made of cloth? My Converse sneakers are made of rubber and cloth. How about those cookies you ate as a child? Let's leave them for now. We'll talk about them later. So made of indicates the main material or ingredients that we use to make something. And this material has kept its original form. So it's easy to see. We can see that the phone is made of glass. We can see the glass, we can see the metal, we can see the plastic. And for my sneakers, I can see that it's rubber and I can see that it's cloth. So to be clear, we can easily see these things that make up the new object. We can see the cloth and the rubber that make up the new object, the sneakers. Some other examples would be a house that is made of bricks. A book is made of paper, and that pen is made of plastic. This brings us to made from. So what is your phone made from? What are your shoes made from? What are those cookies made from? I haven't forgotten about the cookies. Stay with me. The cookies were made from butter, eggs, and flour, and of course other ingredients. So made from means that the original materials or ingredients have changed. They have transformed to become something else. The butter has changed. The flour has changed. The eggs have changed. We now have a cookie. So when you look at a cookie, you can't really see the butter, the flour, or the eggs anymore. In the case of the phone, remember, it's made of, not from, it's made of metal, plastic, and glass. If we break these down, the plastic originally is made from oil and other things. The glass is made from sand and I'm sure other things. And the metal maybe is made from rocks. So they are the original materials that have transformed or changed to become a new material. The oil became plastic. The glass became sand. No, the other way around. The sand became glass and the rocks became metal. What about my shoes? My nice green cons. The cloth, well, it's made from plants. It's, I think, a cotton cloth, so it's made from cotton plants. The rubber is made from palm resin, so palm, a kind of tree, and resin is the liquid that comes from a tree. Are you still with me? What are some other examples? You can let me know in the comments below. So we had a book is made of paper. What about paper? Paper is made from trees. The tree has changed to become paper. Leather is made from animal skin. Can you think of any more? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, nearly finished. A little bit more. Okay, your phone has special parts in it. So it has chips, processors, etc. In the case of an iPhone, it's made with an Apple processor. It's made with a screen from China, quite possibly. Or my shoes. They are made with rubber from Indonesia, I think. They are made with cloth designed by Converse, maybe. And the cookies. They are made with local ingredients. Or they are made with eggs from my chickens. Homemade cookies, very nice. Or if your mum made them, then of course they are made with love. So made with refers to when there's something special about the ingredients or the parts. So often you might see an adjective, as I said, local ingredients, or you could say fresh ingredients, things like that, an Apple processor. Finally, do you remember the chair we talked about at the start? What can you say about that? Let me know in the comments below. There are many different answers to this, but some possible answers would be it's made of wood, of course. We can see it's still wood. It's made of wood. The wood, however, is made from trees. It has changed from a tree to become wood. Or if you imagine, maybe it's a special chair, it's made from recycled wood. So we can see it's wood, but we can't see if it's recycled or not. I guess you could also say then it's made with recycled wood because it's a special kind of wood. We're highlighting the fact that the wood is recycled. Or it's made from wood from Tasmania, the island state of Australia, down the bottom here. And again, we could say with as well. It's made with wood from Tasmania. It's a special kind of wood. We want to highlight that the wood is from Tasmania. That's the important part. And again, if we imagine the chair, it's made by my grandfather. Actually, my grandfather used to make a lot of beautiful furniture. Or it's made by an Italian company. So the people, the companies, organizations that made it. Well, that's it. Hopefully you get the idea and you can now use made by, made of, made from, made with confidence. Go and practice. If you liked this video and you learned something from it, then please like, subscribe, and write in the comments below. All of your support is really useful, especially when I'm starting out. Thank you so much, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.